Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select privacy protection and enroll special permissions. Scroll down now and mark install unknown apps. If you wish to activate unknown sources, just pick the app that you wish to give this permission to and mark allow from this source. Then just read the information. As you can see, and this feature, once you allow unknown sources, may be quite sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked or your property might be at risk. So if you are aware of that and still want to do it, just mark I'm aware and tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, this source is allowed, and obviously you can do it for any other app of yours. Each of them would be secured with this information. You need to read it, wait for 10 seconds, mark the confirmation and tap on OK. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.